this is Kelsey at Lincoln Kessler Park, and we just wanted to follow up with you. This week, you're gonna receive one of these handy dandy bags that says Preventive Maintenance. Inside, you will have an AC filter. You'll change your AC filter. We're gonna show you how to do that in just a moment. Whenever you're done and you put the new AC filter in, you'll replace with the old one. So you'll put the old one back in here, and you'll put it in a trash bag and tie it up with your normal trash and put it out at the allotted trash times for Valley Waste. So right this way. Today we're gonna be using a screwdriver, which is the easiest thing to use, but you can also use a coin if you have one. Anything really with a straight edge that you can get into these little screw areas with. But you can use other things in a screwdriver. Pull it out this way. The old AC filter. So we're just gonna put this over here. Okay, this is the new one. I'm gonna put this under my arm because I want to put this one back in this bag. There we go. Look how clean that is. No mess. Perfect. Okay. Now, on the AC filter, you're gonna see this little area where it says air, and there is an arrow and it points. So that means it's going in towards. So you're gonna do it in towards where it ventilates and the air comes out. So here we go. Stay in there. Perfect. Okay, fantastic. All right, now we put this on. I'm gonna move it closer. And just be careful. Okay. Okay, now we get the screws. It might be nice if you have a table or something that you can put next to it so you're not reaching so far. But luckily I've got long arms, so we're okay. From Lincoln Kessler Park. Have a great rest of your day and take care and stay safe.